What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of Lace Tech. I'm your host, Caleb Lacey, and today I have the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. This is my mom's phone. She just got this like 2 days ago. And so today I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to give my thoughts on this. So she got the Mystic White, as you can tell, and I've looked at it, at least from what I can see in videos, and it actually looks pretty good. I do like the Mystic Bronze also. But so with the box, you got Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and so what she got, let's see, was obviously Note 20 Ultra 5G, the AT&T version, and so she got the 128 gigabyte model right there. So that's all she really needs. And I think this is also SD card expandable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my knife, my little pocket knife right here. And then there's 2 pieces of tape. So I'm just going to cut this right here. Okay. Get this right here. Alright. So, Note 20, let's open this up. So there's a phone right there. We're going to set that aside for a quick second. Here is all the paperwork up top. So if I come here and I open it, you can see there is a SIM eject tool. Then I open it up. You have terms and conditions. Transfer what's important, and then you have the AT&T Let's Get Started page, and this is just like the simple user manual for this. So it does support reverse wireless charging. You have the S Pen and all that. So just it's going over the basics. So I'm just gonna set this, put this back in here. Okay. Just gonna set this aside. Maybe. There we go. And then we get to the main attraction. So come here, lift it up, and here is the phone. You can see you got the Mystic White, which looks absolutely good. I like how they put the silver for the camera right there. So you have the peeling. You have the tape, and then the sides are silver. So what you have here, what's different between the Note 10 and the Note 20, one thing that's noticeable is that the S Pen is now on this side instead of this side. So take this out, and you can see you have the white S Pen. This actually kind of feels a little bit different than the Note 20, or Note 10, sorry. So it does feel kind of different, I think, in my opinion. I could be wrong, some people think it's not. But come here, and then you can see, so on the bottom, you have your speaker grill, you have a microphone right here, and then you have a USB Type-C. No headphone jack, they ditched that with the Note 10 also. And then up here you have your SIM card tray and another microphone. And on this side you can see you have your power button and your volume rocker. So here's the moment of truth. I'm going to peel the wrapper off. I'll get the, here, actually no, just... Okay, now for the front. Okay, and there we go. So I'm just going to set this aside. And then here it is, right here. So I'm going to set this aside for now. Set that right there. And then we're going to come here, and you can see you have your 5G SIM card right here. So I'm also going to set that aside. And then you have a power brick. So this is something that you don't get in the iPhone 12. So I think this is a 20 watt, I believe. I think so. So I think this is a 20 watt fast charger brick. Okay, come here, lift this up. You have your S Pen tips in here and your little S Pen grabber. lift this up and you get your USB-C to USB-C charger cable. Just like that. So I'm going to set this aside. So you do not get any headphones this year with the Note series. So yeah, let's get this. There's nothing else in the box. And then here it is. So like I said, I love the camera on this. It's already getting fingerprints on this. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I think, yes, there is also plastic on the sides. So there it is. I've already gotten many fingerprints on this, but I mean, hey, it is what it is. So I'm going to turn this on. So you got Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G powered by Android. And like I said, the camera bump, when I hold it, that thing is massive, by the way. So if I take this, so with this, if I compare it to my iPhone XR, you could see it comes out noticeably much more. So that is a lot of camera bump. So I'm gonna set this up and I will be right back. Okay, so the phone is all set up, everything's set up. I can only show you limited stuff because like I said, this is my mom's phone, this will not be mine. We already have case on it, everything, screen protector and whatnot. So one major thing that has changed that the hype was about was if you go to display and you go to motion smoothness, you can see how there's now a 120 hertz display on this phone. And so you can tell different. So if I click standard, click apply, and then I go back, so you can see that that is the 60 hertz refresh rate. Now if I come here to display and go to adaptive, click apply, come back. Now you can see that is much smoother. I can definitely tell the difference between. Another thing that is new with the Note 20 Ultra is that it does come in 5G. All models of the Note 20 come in 5G. So if you see here, you can see that you can see 5GE for this. So you got 5GE up there. I click go. And now I will also do this next to my iPhone, which uses 4G LTE. Let's see. Which this is a big difference. Finding optimal server. This is taking a while. So I'm just going to do the Google one then. So if I run speed tests, that's okay. Click on here. And no, this is supposed to be 5G, so this is download, this is upload. So 4G LTE, you can see I get 70, 75, 80 megabits per second download, while this only averaged 15 and a half, which is I don't know, 5 megabits per second upload, while this is going up to like 2, 3, 2.8, 3, yeah. Oh. So yeah, so under 4G LTE, I got 77.3 download, and then 3.19 upload, 5.08 upload, and 15.5 download, which I think this runs different. That's why I do the Ookla one. We should be finding an optimal server under 5G. Comcast, okay. $76, $75. So this has a 72.82 download under the Ookla speed test. So I don't know what's up with that really, but I can definitely think. I think it's a SIM card. I don't know. We just switched over the SIM card from my mom's Note 10 to this one. So I think we just need to switch it over to the 5G SIM card if it really makes a difference. So if it does, definitely leave that down in the comments below. And let me know so that we can get that ready and all that. So download is about the same for now, I think. So now this is camera talk, okay? So we have 3 cameras. One of them is 108 megapixels and 50 times zoom, whatever. So I'm going to tell you which is which. So the first one, the top one, the very top one, is a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with an f aperture of f2.2. The second one, the middle one, is a 108 megapixel wide angle camera, which has optical image stabilization. So the first one doesn't, but the second one does. And the f aperture is 1.8. And then the third one is the 12 megapixel telephoto camera, which is also the periscope camera, and it has the 50 times zoom for that. And then you have the laser AF sensor, which is that little red dot right there, which has 5 times optical zoom and up to 50 times super resolution zoom. This phone shipped with One UI 2.5, also known as Android 10. It just updated, so everything sounds just a little bit different with the noises. So if I come here, you can see that the sounds are much different than how they were before. So, and yeah, so my thoughts on the phone, I think it's a cool phone. I definitely am digging this white, actually. And this is coming from an iPhone user, so really, I mean, I definitely like the phone, like I said. It definitely suits my mom. She's a big Samsung user. And so, yeah, so I like it, like the color and everything. I will still be using this for a little while, so don't get your hopes up on me uploading it or getting an upgrade yet. So, one thing that I saw was this. Yes, this camera bump is so big, and yet I thought the camera bump on this was big. Like, I thought that was thick. No. Look at this. Look at that. Look. This is huge. And I think that's like about the size of a coin. Like the side of the coin. So, yeah. And then compare it to that is a rather large camera. So yeah, I think that is it on my thoughts of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Definitely an experience with the 6.9-inch display. It is quite big. Now I look at this and it's pretty small. So and no, I think this is like perfect size for me. But the more I'm like holding this, like But anyways, that is it. Fingerprint magnet. Thanks for watching. This, I will rarely do any unboxing videos because I am on a money issue. I just need to find a job, but I will do as many unboxings as I can. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. See ya.